Today I'll be working on a 2013 Mazda 3.
The truth.
So I'm getting a little indicator on my dash up here that my key fob is getting low. So let's go ahead and change out the battery on this thing. Alright, so on the back side of the key, it's going to have this little tab right here. You're just going to depress it, pull the actual key itself out, set that aside. We're going to take a screwdriver. There's these little notches on each side. I don't know how well you can see them. We're going to get our screwdriver in there and just kind of pop it free. Just be kind of gentle with it. There it goes. And once they're both kind of loose, we're just kind of work down the side of the key fob. Just kind of open it up, just give it a little twist. Now we separated our key fob. Now it's got this little tiny cover on here. And it's even got the part number. I didn't even notice that before. But it's got the part number right there on it. So if you have any questions, it's a 2025 battery. But we're going to go ahead and pop that off. There it goes. So once you got that cover off, just kind of pay attention to the orientation of the actual battery itself. We're going to have the smooth side facing up and the indented side facing down into the actual remote itself. Alright, now we're going to get our brand new battery out of the packet. Some of the packet tried to stay with my battery there. Alright, now that I got the new battery cleaned up, go ahead and put it in the remote. Remember, smooth side facing up towards you. I'm going to put the little cover on, kind of snap it into place. There it goes. Put the back of the key fob back on. Just kind of line it up all the way around. Just kind of press it together. And make sure this seam is pretty even all the way around too. That way you know it closed all the way. We can go ahead and reinsert our actual key back into the fob, and we'll take it back to the car. Alright, now we got our new battery in the key fob. Works a hell of a lot better. Before, I'd have to push it a lot of times before it would register on the car. But let's just double check and make sure we don't get the same notification on our screen up here. Nope, just says door open. I think we're good to go. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can.